So here we have microbial mats in front of us and stromatolites behind us, and these systems are driven by photosynthesis, oxygen producing photosynthesis. And if you would take a cross section of these mats, you see that the photosynthesis is restricted to about 1 millimeter thickness. It's just under the surface is where you see the peak of photosynthesis. And if we measure the rates of that process of photosynthesis, we find that there is more photosynthesis compressed in that very thin layer of 1 millimeter than there is, for instance, in the rainforest when you go from the floor to the canopy over, say, about 35 meters. So more photosynthesis in 1 millimeter than in 35 meters that you see, or a very productive cornfield or whatever you can think of on Earth. So if you would follow that logic, if you have a lot of photosynthesis, you have a lot of production of organic material as the result of photosynthesis. And if there would be no consumption of that organic material, then the stromatolites would grow very, very, very rapidly, of course. But they don't. It takes thousands of years for a stromatolite to form, hundreds to thousands of years for a stromatolite to form. So that means that whatever is produced by photosynthesis, by those cyanobacteria that use light to photosynthesize, a lot of that organic material, pretty much all of it, is recycled through microbial respiration. There are lots of microbes that use oxygen and other things to respire, that use that organic carbon and live off of that.